Hello, in this video I will be showing you how to use trend lines and channels for technical analysis. Here we are on the Bitcoin 4-hour chart. If you go over this left hand side, you'll see a drop down menu from trend line, parallel channel, and a few other tools we can use to help get a better idea of how to read a chart. So a trend line is very simple. You want to basically understand what the trend is, and one of the best ways to do that is to find highs and find lows. So what I mean by that is, see how this trend line is moving diagonally, and see it's hitting a high here, going down, hitting a high here, hitting a high here, and hitting a high here. And this is not on a horizontal axis, this is in a downward movement. So here we can see that we're in a downtrend. And what we can do with this here, if you right click on the line, you can clone it. And you can clone it again as many times as you want. And now if you're match the highs, you can go to the lows. And you see we have 2 touch points here. And with our last one, we can figure the middle of the channel. So the more touch points the trend line has, the more strong, the more strength the trend has. See, touch, so this is obviously big rejection, big rejection, big rejection, in the middle of the channel. Or basically, you can say this is the bottom with a few deviations here. But the general idea is all downwards. So we're in a downtrend. And see, I used 3 trend lines here, but we can get rid of all that and do the same thing with a parallel channel. Click on here, find parallel channel, and now you want to click from whichever point you want and go to the bottom of your trend, and then you just drag upwards. So see, and now this is our parallel channel. Similar to the one I drew, we see a similar parallel channel, which is pretty strong with multiple touch points on either side, with a few deviations here, but the trend continues. See? So this is how you use a channel. These work on lower time frames, high time frames. If I go to the 1 minute chart, we can see similar things here. Parallel channel again. High, low. You could also move it down. See, this is a channel. And then once we broke from this channel, we broke upwards. And then we just happen to be in another channel. And then when we broke down from this channel, we went down a lot, almost to a support level, which we'll talk about in our next video. So like and stay tuned. Thank you.